Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove the white background of your image. Today I'm working in a program called Gimp. It's very similar to Photoshop and it's absolutely free. So if you care to download it, I will leave a link down below in the description and you can download it there. Alright, so let's get started. So with your image loaded into the layer panel here, make sure you're actually selected on the image. If you have other images or things in here, just make sure you're selected on the proper layer. You're going to right click on that layer, add alpha channel. Then you're going to want to go to layer up at the top left here. Click on layer, move over to transparency, and then move over and click on color to alpha. So because my color is automatically on white, it's going to automatically remove the white background, which is great. If you have other colored backgrounds and you want to get rid of those, you can move it to that color, or select whatever color you have, it will remove. Also, so we'll move it over to white because that's what we want to remove. Also, you can play around with the transparency threshold as well. So whatever suits your image or what you're going for, and you can play around with the opacity threshold as well. So you can see the original image there, and you slowly move it, gets rid of all the white to about there. That's probably perfect, and we'll click OK. And that's all you need to do to remove the white background of your image. If this video helped you out at all, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below, and I will be glad to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.